Hi everybody, it's Mark again, and I thought I was done making videos for the night, but I was working on this Lux Pendulette clock for a friend of mine, and the click wasn't working, and I want to show you. I want to clean this off real fast. It had grime and stuff underneath it. And I want to show you how they are made. This little bitty wire right here is what operates the click. And I'm going to spread it apart some so it has more action. But that little bitty wire goes into this slot right here. Into this slot right here. And it pushes up against the click to push it down. And so that is what I have to do with that little bitty wire if I didn't lose it, because it's such a little bitty wire, it's hard to see, especially when you're blind like me. I just had it. If I can't find it, here it is. It, like I said, the wire, the two ends here go into that slot. Trying to get it in that slot might be a challenge. Time to break out my hemostats so I can grab a hold of that wire. Me and my big German hands, I have issues. It might be easier to put it down in the slot. as it came out of the slot. That might be the easiest way. So anyway, I'll grab a hold with the hemostat so I can show you. That wire goes through that slot, and it puts pressure on this portion of the click. Let me release it. It puts pressure on this back end section of the click to push this front section of the click into the click itself, which came out on me, and I have to put it back in. Which is going to be a challenge because it's stuck on this shaft. So stand by and let me try to get it off that shaft. I got it off the shaft. Now I have to put it back on that dial section where the click is. With a little luck, I got the two pieces back together. However, the click is not moving so well. So, taking some sockets, nut drivers, and trying to get it to loosen up some, or screw it up. Seems to be working. I think I need a bigger size, maybe 1/4 of an inch. I got this part back together, but now I have to find that little bitty wire, because I took it out to put the star wheel on here that the click fits into.